Hey guys, this is Barbara from Inspired Paper and Designs, and today I'm going to show you how you can use my affirmations PDF file to create a book quickly and easily on Amazon KDP. So I created this using Canva, and as you can see, it has the my note or this notebook belongs to the copyright page, and then it has different affirmations. It's about 60 between 50 and 60 affirmations, such as I am amazing, I'm awesome, I'm bold, I'm brave, I'm compassionate. And then I have I'm gorgeous, I'm hardworking, I'm joyful, I'm kind. So every other page has affirmations on it. And what I did was I created one PDF file that you can use and upload quickly and easily to Amazon KDP. The reason why I did this was because there's a whole lot of notebooks out there that just have blank lines. So I want to create different products that you can use to help you create your notebooks quickly and easily and still make them stand out in the sea of notebooks and journals, okay? So I've already downloaded this file as a PDF, which I'll drop the link below so that you can grab it. I'm over on Amazon KDP, and we're going to go ahead and walk through the steps of uploading to Amazon KDP. So some of this was already pre-filled because I did a video and I ran into an error message, and because I wanted you guys to see the process step by step, and I wanted to eliminate that error message. So I went ahead, and this is actually take two. But if there's another error, we'll just walk through it together. Okay. So language is English. I called it my affirmations notebook, just something nice and quick. It's not a series. There's no edition number. I'm the author. I do not have any contributors. And then I just typed up a brief description. This affirmations notebook is sure to inspire you every time you use it. It is 8.5 by 11 inches and 120 pages. This notebook contains over 50 affirmations. Okay. I own the copyright because I created it. Down here are keywords that you would put in for Amazon, for the search on Amazon. I'm not going to go into that, but you might use like notebook, affirmations, journal, self-help book, writing journal, different words that pop up on Amazon. Okay. Categories, you have to choose two. I did African American and contemporary women, which I'm not really feeling that now that I think about it. Let me see if I can delete it. Yeah, I'm going to remove that one. So let's go to, I did nonfiction, self-help, self-esteem. I'm trying to find one that was similar to like journaling or writing, but I'm not really sure. Let's see. And I don't want to spend too much time doing this. So let's see if I can find one. Let's see, psychology. Maybe not. Let's see, development. Let's see. Nope. Okay, I was trying to find something that's more along the lines of writing. It's not poetry, so I don't want to select that. I did do self-help. Let me see if maybe a different, and I did personal growth. I don't want to do personal growth because I don't think it's under there. Self-management, no. Personal growth, I did self-esteem. Let me see. It's not substance abuse. It's not handwriting analysis. I was trying to see something that would actually like create another drop down. It might not be religion, but let's see. And then that would just be different denominations. I cannot find the one that has to deal with, and I apologize. I do know, for example, if I put it in a category and I feel like that's not the right category, you can always email Amazon and state your case, and they may go ahead and move it. But I don't want to take up too much time. But you see all the categories that's listed here. Let's see, family relationships, life stages, parenting. Let's see, life stages. I don't think it's going to be in here though. Okay. Yeah, it's not going to let me, it's not going to show me which one it is for, like for writing, for journaling. And that's fine because we're just going to go ahead and keep it moving. Okay. So we'll stay with what we have. Does this book contain language, situations inappropriate? I said no because it doesn't. Then we're going to go over to the next page, or the next screen, I should say. So on the next screen, I clicked for them to assign me a free KDP ISBN. Today's the publication date, which is January 15th. I chose black and white interior with white paper because it's a basic design, but as you can see, they do give you options. My trim size is 8.5 by 11, and I chose no bleed because it doesn't go outside the margins, and glossy finish for the cover because I like that shiny feel, or that shiny look. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and upload the manuscript. It has an error message because that's when I did take one. So I'm just going to go ahead and just re-upload the pages just to be on the safe side, because I want to go ahead and get through the video without any error messages, if at all possible. So then here, where it comes to the cover, I'm going to choose download a KDP template. So my option over here is, that's not it, I clicked too fast, 8.5 by 11, 120 pages. And I chose white paper, so now I'm going to go ahead and download the cover template. As you can see, it's over here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it, extract it, and then go ahead and go to my downloads and see what we're working with. Okay, so Amazon gave me their templates, and let me see, this is a PNG file, so that's perfect. So now I'm going to go over to Amazon. This, where is the one? Let me refresh. I'm going to try to see if I can work from the one that I tried to do in my first video. So this was the first one. I labeled it Amazon KDP. This cover I designed completely on Canva without the use, well, except for her. Now, she came from Coco Twins, which I'll drop the link below. Her images are amazing. But I did this on Canva. So I made this from scratch. It's a word, basically a word cover. It says, I am enough, I am unique, I am worthy, and that's all over the cover. This will be available for sale as well. So then all you have to do is wherever you decide to purchase an image from, you can put it on top and you'll be good to go. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and upload the image from Amazon, or the template from Amazon. There we go. Try uploading these files again once you reduce the size. Okay. So let's see if I can reduce the size. So we're going to go to downloads, and I apologize. My kids are watching wrestling and they do get excited. Okay. So this is, so let's see if we can change the size. Resize. So we're going to say, let's try this one. Best for emails and messages. And I'm going to say resize. I'm going to name it resize so that way we can find it. So let's save it. And let's see if that will work. Oh, I hope I didn't click too fast. Let's see. Hope I didn't click too fast. Bam. There we go. Cool. So in case it doesn't work for you, now you know what you can do. So I'm going to go ahead and move this over, and we're going to pull it out and format it, and let's see what it has. So let me see if I can make this a little bit bigger. All right. So these are the elements. So what I'm going to do, or these are the specifications. I'm going to position this to the back. Okay. And I'm going to play around with it to make sure that it falls within their guidelines. So let me move this. All right. So we're going to put this right here. Okay. And we're going to put this right here. And I think, let me see, hold on. Let me make this a little bit bigger so that we can see. All right. I know that's super big, but there's a reason, there's a method to my madness. So we're going to put this right here and move this right here. Oh, duh. I had it too far over. There we go. That's why I wasn't looking right. So let's put this right here. Let's put this right here. All right, let's make this smaller. So here's my spine. Um, let's make it black. So let's add an element, and we're going to make the spine black. Let's see, rectangle. Now I do know some people. Well, let me do this real quick before I say that. So let's drag this in, pull it up, make it black, and pull it down. All right, there we go. Okay. Now, I do know some people that are content creators on Amazon KDP. This is where they will put their keywords, because with Amazon, if you decide to use a long title that's full of keywords, the keywords has to also be on your cover. So this is where they will put like my affirmations, journal, notebook, writing guide, guided journal type thing. Okay. But for purposes of this, I'm just going to leave it like this. Okay. So from here, and also another trick too, if you want to give it like a marble notebook look, you could go ahead and drag this out and it would make it give like a marble notebook look. So let's say if I wanted to make it a 1/2 inch, I would click on view, rulers, view guides, and see how that pops up. So I see that that's right here. So I may drag this out to 8 and drag this out to here. And that'll give it like a notebook look, but then I would have to move this over a little bit just because I'm a stickler for not having, you know, there we go. So then that gives it that marble notebook look. So let's roll with it, see what happens. So I'm going to download this as PDF, because it has to be a PDF. So let's see what happens. I'm excited because I want to see how this turns out. Okay. So we're going to leave this up just in case. We're going to come back here. We can go ahead and close this out. So let's go ahead and upload the cover, see what happens. Let's see, which cover is it? It's this one, I think. So I'm excited. Let's see how that looks. And it should go through with no problems. But if there's a problem, then I may have to change something. So we'll see. So I was waiting for this to say successful. Oh, there it is. I wanted to make sure I had the right cover. It should be the right cover. It says it's processing my file. So let's go to Launch Previewer. My screen size is small, but that's fine. We already know. So hopefully this will go through fairly quickly. Okay. Again, I haven't used Amazon in a very, very long time. So I'm kind of going through this just like you guys would go through if it was your first time. I have been using Lulu because with Lulu, I can create spiral notebooks. I can create hardcover. And I'll drop a link because I did do a video showing you how you can use these files and create a book on lulu.com, which is another print on demand site. But Amazon, of course, has billions of people that will have access to your notebooks. And that's why a lot of people use it, not to mention the cost is cheap. Lulu's cost is cheap as well. But Amazon, you have more reach if you wanted to just sell your books on Amazon and draw traffic that's already on Amazon's site. And Amazon books come in paperback. Okay, that's the only option they have right now. But they do have a plethora of sizes that you can choose from. Okay, so we're going to see if I did everything correctly. And if I didn't, then we'll go ahead and make the necessary changes. So let's see what we're working with. All right. And that was fairly quick. Sometimes it takes longer. It really just depends on how many people are probably uploaded and also how intense your design is. So, okay, I'm feeling this. All right. So if we click on the pages, where's it at? Okay, so there's this notebook belongs to, and you see it falls right in the guidelines. So you're cool in that respect, which is awesome. So now I'm going to approve it. So Amazon is saying that my PDF file along with my cover meets their qualifications, which is awesome. All right, so let's go ahead. So as you can see, it only costs $2.29, and this is 8.5, 120-page glossy finish, black and white interior with black with white paper notebook. So I'm excited. As you, like I said, now on Lulu, this book was for Spiral. It was like $5 or something. So as you can see, Amazon is definitely cheaper when it comes to costs. So let's do save and continue. Save is successful. So now we're going to go to pricing. I'm going to say all territories. Pricing, it tells you the minimum and the maximum that you can charge. Most notebooks or most journals on Amazon KDP they run in the range of $6.99 to $9.99. So I'm just going to say $9.99 because it's 8.5 by 11. And as you can see, I would make $3.70. Okay. And if I decided to expand my distribution, which means that it'll go more places, then I would make even less royalties. So that's the only thing with Amazon. You are paying for the traffic that they're driving or that they have made available to you. So Amazon takes a nice commission. I will say that. All right. It says it can take up to 72 hours for my book to be available. I can request a proof of this book that they'll send to me so I know what it looks like. So then you would hit publish your paperback book and you would be good to go. All right. I'm glad that you guys stuck it out with me. I try not to make this too long. If you have any questions or concerns, please drop them in the comments below. If you want to see more videos like this, please drop it in the comments as well. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that way whenever whenever I upload a video, you will be the first one to know so that you can go ahead and learn something new when it comes to printing on Amazon KDP or Lulu or another print-on-demand site using Canva. I am a certified Canva creative, so all of my designs, if not most of them, are designs that I've created on Canva. All right, I will talk to you guys later and have an amazing day.